国际上央今咱来看 G20 峰会拜六要伫南非起国，北京发言人李维就是公开表示，美国要来参加，咱来看伊安怎讲。
The United States is not participating in official talks at the G20 in South Africa. I saw the South African president running his mouth a little bit against the United States and the president of the United States earlier today, and that language is not appreciated by the president or his team.
这届 G20 是头届伫非洲举行，美国阁是创始成员之一。也毋过，川普月初有讲过，因为南非偏向白人农民，所以伊无爱出席。也毋过拉马福沙伫咧拜四说讲，有收到通知，指出美国有可能改变主意，可能会以某种形式来参加峰会。但是北京是反回讲，美国代表敢若会因为下一届主办国是美国，会去参加轮值主办国的交接仪式，毋过未参与任何含 G20 的正式讨论。